Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer. Alright, let's begin. Whether you're setting up a brand new machine or switching devices temporarily, transferring your emails is an essential step to ensure you still have access to your important communications. To start, head over to the Microsoft Outlook webpage. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, enter your login details carefully, making sure your email and password are correct to ensure a smooth login. Once ready, click Next to access your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're at the home base of your emails, you'll need to decide how you want to transfer your messages to your new computer. You can save the emails on an external hard drive for a portable backup, or you can simply install Outlook and log into your account on the new device if you have internet access. In this session, I'll guide you through saving your Outlook emails to an external hard drive. First, navigate to your inbox and choose the specific email or emails you want to export. Once your emails are selected, look for the three dots icon typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click the three dots, then select Downloads. Here you'll see two file types you can choose from: EML or MSG. Both works, but EML is widely used by various clients, while MSG is more specific to Microsoft Outlook. Pick whichever suits your needs and hit Save, directing the file to your external hard drive. Once your emails are safely stored on the hard drive, they're ready to be transferred to your new computer. Simply plug the hard drive into the new device and copy your saved emails over. You'll then have all your essential messages right at your fingertips on your new machine. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer Outlook emails to a new computer. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.